What is up, guys? I'm Kelsey.
I'm Melissa.
Welcome to MK Let's Go. So, we got a quick unboxing for you guys. We are going somewhere real soon, and this could not have come in at a better time.
Literally today.
We got
beautiful.
A memory card. Hope
But
you
what does it go into? You're stupid.
So if you guys know or have any idea what this is, it's a memory card. 32 gig, very fast card. And they give these away every time you buy one of these.
Every time?
Online. You have to buy online.
Currently.
One of these.
Currently they do that. I don't know if they do it every time. But we're so excited because we recently just got this today and we're leaving today to go on a trip. So timing was perfect.
So let's get into this guy. Looking at the bottom of the box, you see a little arrow right there. People get super frustrated when they're opening GoPro boxes. I know I did when I opened my first GoPro box, but look at that.
Oh, that was pretty satisfying. That was pretty good.
This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition.
Their newest one. We are so excited.
Finger in the hole.
Whew. Oh, that is beautiful.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful.
To get the camera off of the packaging, go to the back. Lift this guy up. And then you have to squeeze this guy forward. This is a fake image of a cute turtle.
Adorable.
To get it out of the casing, lift it up. Push it forward. And open.
Fancy.
Push the GoPro out of this guy. And now you can take the turtle off. You're gonna need to take the turtle off to use the camera. So sorry, turtle. You have to go away.
All, but
you must go away. Oh. Bye bye. And that is how you unbox
a GoPro.
A GoPro.
Isn't it beautiful?
7.
I love the black.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, little background. We had the GoPro Hero 3 Black. That was 4 generations ago. We were due for an upgrade. She actually bought the first GoPro, and now it's come first circle. Now we're getting full circle, and we're getting a new one.
Yeah. So we did trade in our old one because it helps us save a little bit of money. It was about $100, and I believe you can trade in any GoPro as long as it's over $99. Or any like digital cameras, I think. I can't exactly remember, but I know GoPros for sure.
Yep. So in that little bottom part, they give you the instructions on how to unbox. And you can also get into this guy. Open up, open down, open side, and open that piece up, and you get your new accessories. So inside here, a sticky mount, C charging cable,
beautiful,
a flat sticky mount, and the all-important battery. So the way you put this battery in, you will see at the bottom of your GoPro a little door. This guy. Push it, put to the side, you have to push that button, and then that's where you put your battery in.
Battery.
Close the door, and your battery is inserted. Let's see if this has any juice. The power button is on the side. Hold it. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. GoPro Hero 7. But for now, we're gonna actually input the star of the show, the GoPro memory card.
That's the star of the show?
No, not really. So, I need scissors.
Yeah, we don't want a remake of our of our camera unboxing.
Yeah.
Because you were ridiculous in that one.
You get your memory card.
It's so itty bitty. Yep.
And you put it in the same slot where the battery went. And you'll hear a click. Close your door. And it should be good. Alright, so that was a quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 7. We're actually going to take it. We actually have to get to a flight right now. So we will see you when we see you in